HDFTS series counterflow valves, also known as mother tank bottom valves, which are suitable for the pipelines and the compartments of mother circulation tanks. These serve as control valves for suction and discharge, as well as switches for compartment balance control. The main connecting pipelines, including the suction pipeline of the mud pump, the weighted hopper centrifugal pump, the shell pump, and the connecting pipeline between each compartment of the mother tank. Our HDFTS series mother tank valves have 4 types: 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch, which can meet all the requirements for supporting swimming mother tanks at home and abroad. HDFTS hand-wheel tubular mother tank bottom valve is composed of outer pipe, valve seat, valve plate, connecting rod, lead screw, and handwheel. This kind of valve is easy to operate, flexible to rotate, and has good sealing effect. It's the most commonly used mud tank bottom valve on oilfield drilling mud tanks. The biggest feature of this mud tank bottom valve is its lightweight and easy to open, and it can lift it and lower it infinitely, which can greatly save labor costs and improve work efficiency.